Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be doing my first big upgrade on my 2020 Tacoma. I'm going to install a retractable tonneau cover that I ordered from Pace Edwards. So I'll be showing you guys a quick tip how to install it and how it will look on my Tacoma. If you guys like the cover after you see it on my Tacoma, I will leave the part number in descriptions below. And please, if you like the video, subscribe so I can make more video on how to install other accessories on Tacoma. So let's get started. Definitely comes with the tonneau cover that you ordered. It also comes with the drain tube and the seal. Your bed already has small drain holes. You don't need to drill bigger hole for that tube, but if you want to, go ahead, but it's not necessary. And with help of assistant, make sure you put the tonneau cover on the bed carefully, make sure not to scratch anything, and then you can move the cover later back and forth to adjust where the tailgate is going to close. So grab the panel, it will say left and right on the right side panel. So this is the left side panel. I'm gonna show you just on the left side. So make sure you slide it carefully not to scratch anything. There's a rubber seal, make sure it doesn't bind or anything, and you will see the hole from the bottom, and you will put the 10mm bolt through. I'm just gonna tight it with hand, not all the way till everything is aligned, and then we'll go from there. Same thing on the right side. Take this cover off, slide this bracket in. You can adjust wherever you want to put it later on that you feel it's safe. And the factory, this one you can't even use it no more, so I decided to put the hook later on if I want to put the cargo net or something. And then I'm gonna put the second bracket after the hook. Make sure you put the rest of the brackets on now and all the bolts, and make sure you tied it down where the cover and the rails are not gonna move. Next thing you're gonna do is you close your tonneau cover, close your tailgate, and then look at the edge. Make sure it's close to the tailgate the way I'm showing you in the video. Earlier I did made a mistake. It was 1 inch off, so I had to loosen all the bolts and then move everything forward. So make sure before you tighten everything, you put that edge close to the tailgate and tighten everything down. Another way you can align that is with that edge on the right side, and same thing on the left side, and you should be good. It should be close to your tailgate. You can recheck when you close your tailgate and tighten everything down. So make sure you apply silicone lube or any lube on both of the rails before closing and opening your tonneau cover. It doesn't come with the box. I didn't receive any, so I used my own. Next step, you will put your Velcro there, and then you will test the function. This is how you open your tonneau cover, the retractable, and this is how you close your tonneau cover. And then you put your strap where you put your Velcro. Here we go. This is how it looks with the brand new tonneau cover. I like this style better than the fold one. So if you guys like my video, please do subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, leave it in the comment below. Thank you very much.